Hey everyone, it's time to take to the skies and explore the mesmerizing nightscape of Tokyo from above. Picture this: the neon-lit streets, the bustling Shibuya crossing, and the iconic Tokyo Tower, all coming to life as the sun sets and the city transforms. Let's start with Shinjuku. As the drone ascends, you'll see the vibrant energy of Kabukicho, Tokyo's entertainment district. It's a radiant sea of lights and colors, with towering skyscrapers casting their reflections onto the city below. The bustling streets, the people, the pulse of the city, it's also captivating from up here. Next we glide over to Shibuya. The famous Shibuya crossing is a spectacle in itself. Imagine thousands of people flooding the intersection from all directions, all illuminated by massive digital billboards and streetlights. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance of humanity, only visible from this unique vantage point. Now let's head towards Roppongi. This area is known for its nightlife, and as the drone hovers above, you'll see why. The streets are alive with an array of vibrant lights, and the nightlife scene pops with a dazzling array of colors. Every corner of Roppongi seems to be telling its own story, one filled with excitement and endless possibilities. Now, let's not forget the Tokyo Tower. Standing tall and proud, it's Tokyo's answer to the Eiffel Tower. From here you get a panoramic view of the city's skyline. The tower itself is beautifully illuminated and serves as a beacon amidst the sea of lights that is Tokyo. It's a sight that never gets old, no matter how many times you see it. Moving towards Odaiba, you'll see the Rainbow Bridge, another iconic structure. At night, it's a striking vision of colors, arching gracefully over Tokyo Bay. Below, the waterfront is dotted with lights reflecting off the water, creating a magical, almost surreal atmosphere. As the drone ventures further, it captures the essence of Tokyo's unique blend of the traditional and the modern. Temples and shrines, nestled between high-tech buildings and neon signs, are illuminated softly, offering a moment of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. It's a beautiful contrast that truly defines Tokyo. Finally, we soar over Ginza. Known for its upscale shopping and dining, Ginza at night is a dazzling array of luxury and elegance. The streets are adorned with high-end storefronts, each one more impressive than the last. The combination of opulence and charm is incredible, and it's all the more stunning from above. So, there you have it. A breathtaking tour of Tokyo's nightscape from above. I hope this aerial journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Tokyo for yourself. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep exploring.